DP Total Interior Cleaner is a complete interior cleaner used to clean, remove stains from, and deodorize all interior surfaces, including plastic, rubber, vinyl, fabric, carpet, and upholstery. Remove everything from a thin layer of dust to spilled soda and coffee with just one use. Total Interior Cleaner begins to clean on contact, often saving you the task of having to scrub away contamination. Simply spray DP Total Interior Cleaner directly onto the surface to be cleaned, or directly onto a microfiber towel and gently wipe the surface. Using a dry microfiber towel, buff away excess product. Heavily soiled areas may require additional agitation or scrubbing or additional applications. It cleans on contact, is safe for use on all interior surfaces, and removes odor and stains. DP Detailing Products, exceptional car care products for the professional, enthusiast, and everyday driver.